Here's my snowman. He's really pretty. And this is Christmas Day 2024. And here's something to eat. Stuffed olives with almonds, and here's some stuff right here. Here's my chickens. Card from my Aunt Jan. Here's Cassie's stocking. Jim got me this a few years ago, and he got me that a few years ago. And here's another one. Candle. Merry Christmas. And Santa Claus, another Santa Claus. But I like this one the best. And some trees. And a beautiful platter that Jim got me at the Kelseyville Lumber Yard a few years back. And here's the back. Here's Jim over here. He's over there with the kitty. Hi. Hi. You guys are movie stars. Cassie? Hi, Cassie. Here's Jim. He's resting because he's been slaving in the kitchen. Merry Christmas, everybody.